So one thing we have to do, we have to take these panels off because we're going to do some insulation inside there. It's actually pretty easy to do. It just needs something like this tool here. So I think it's an upholstery tool. I've also seen somebody use a weed puller, but basically it's a little, what's holding it in is a little pin like this, and you need to separate those two and pop them out. So just get inside there between those two and then pop them out and they come right out. So we're going to put some sound deadener on. This is Kilmat, the 50 mil size. I debated whether or not to do it because Thinsulate itself is a sound deadener as well. Probably worth your time just because, I mean, if it does help, it's already behind the walls and you can't take the insulation off once you've got it up there. So it sticks on by itself. You have to clean the surface, and then it has these little ridges in here that you basically mash down with a roller until it's flat. Once those are flat, then that's considered good. Just repeat this through all these big panels. And what this is designed to do is it's a heavy mat, so it prevents these from vibrating. So these are what cause a lot of your noise inside your van. So that's supposed to cut it down a lot. Now you can, if you want to, you can do the entire van with this stuff, but they said the maximum efficiency per cost is just to do like a 25 to 50% coverage. So that's about what this is here. And then once you get past that amount of coverage, the amount of benefit that you get drops dramatically. Okay, so we're almost done with the Kilmat. I haven't done the roof yet. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that because of the ribbed nature of it. It's not as sound booming as the side panels. But we may. If we do, I have to get another box because I only bought 50 square foot. So we did in the slider because there's no window going to be in here. This one I left blank because this is where our window's going to be. And then just put coverage, like 50% coverage. And then here's the wheel well. This one's not done yet, but you can hear the difference. So this is versus this. So you can hear it's much more like a drum. And when you're driving down the road, that's what makes a lot of your noise, is all these panels. I did a little bit in the door here, down in here, down there, both of those doors. And so that's it. Same with the floor. I don't think it's necessary because it's ribbed, so that'll reduce the oil canning, which is what's causing your noise. Everything else will have the insulation over it, and that will also reduce noise, the Thinsulate, because it is a sound deadener as well. And so I'm going to finish up this wheel well here. Takes about 4 and some scraps. You can see out of 50 square feet. These are the 4 for the wheel well, and then I just have this left over to make little patches here and there. that's it for sound deadening. Like I said, this up here, it does make noise, but I think once the Thinsulate insulation is up here, that'll quiet down considerably. The only concern would be like rain hitting it. All right, until next time, bye.